was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, rise. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get a little sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night now. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get a little sleep in that bed, lying awake.
Dumelang baratiwa, welcome back to my channel. My name is Letty for those who don't know me, and we go by the name Modern Mom Lifestyle. So in this channel we do all things motherhood, lifestyle, and all things fun. So guys, I haven't talked to you since morning. Like, I've been doing all the things and I've never talked to you. Hello, I'm speaking. I never spoke to you, mainly because, guys, like, my morning was hectic. Like, I was so busy. I did laundry, clean, and cook, bath the kids, and bath myself, and all that. Like, it was just hectic. So after that we bathed and we went to like this other market where we buy like our fruits and veg, and there's also like a section there where they sell snacks. So we wanted to buy like some snacks for Titi's birthday, and then yeah, we did find like some snacks, because remember we are also going to buy like the Happy Meals from McDonald's. So I think it's gonna be enough, the Happy Meals plus the snacks plus the cake and the drinks. I think it's enough, guys. Like I think it's enough. And yeah, and also what, yeah, actually let me show you what we bought. Actually I don't, yeah, so guys, let me go and show you what we bought. And yeah, let me go. Yeah, so guys, this is what I bought. I still don't know on whether to buy like the packs to cover this, but this is what it is, guys. But I feel like there's just too much sweets. There's too much sweets, but at least there's a toy, so we'll see. Yeah, but you're gonna get it at school. You see, they've got toys inside, but my only problem is that I think they got too many sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's sweets. And then 1 packet of Zimba. Is it Zimba or popcorn? Yeah, so we bought 15 of this. Because the kids, I mean, yeah, 15 of this for the kids. And we bought like the 16th one for Sia, because he's gonna be in the class with them. Sia, what's wrong? Yeah. They're gonna give you at school next. Yeah. So this one, I think it's gonna be for him. I don't know, but since while he loves guns, I'm thinking this is going to be for him. But I don't know. But I think there's just too much sweet. I don't know. So we bought this 16 of this with different. Oh, there's another one with a gun. So if there are more back, yeah, they will see how they. I love the fact that like everything is different. Like there's just different things inside. Yeah, there's just a lot. There's another plastic there, so it's just a lot, guys. This one is mine. I just wanted some ginger biscuits. Yeah, so we've got other ones in there. So guys, we also got some here, and we also got like some Simbas, like maybe for the teachers, and like yeah, the rest of this, like yeah, that's what we bought. And like some Coke and Sprite, maybe for the, actually this is gonna be for the teachers, if the teachers are gonna eat, I don't know. Yeah, so this is what we got. Yes, what? That's tunya. Did you will choose there's a dinosaur, there's a bear, you see? Dinosaur ship. Yeah, she dinosaur. And there's the ribbons. No, kiss out tunja. So yeah, let's take this. Yay. And another popcorn inside. If you like, you want popcorn, Sia, please.
Sia, let's go to the beach. Sia. Sia, wait.
Thank you, Miss Berry.
Sia. Mama. Sia. Sia.
Thank you.
Sia, let's go.
Dumelang baratiwa. What is this? Oh my god, there's something there. What is that? Guys, I'm not gonna be able to remove that. Dumelang baratiwa. So today is Tuesday. Oh my word, it's Tuesday, and this vlog is to be up tomorrow. Yeah, so it is Tuesday and I am preparing for Titis birthday, just like last time. So I just bought a cake. I'll show you when I get home, and then so that I can start editing this vlog, because it has to be up tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be Titis birthday and this vlog must be up. So as I said, the birthday is going to be at school, so I don't know if they're gonna like provide me with like some footage, maybe to show how the day went. I know they provide pictures and stuff, so I'm not sure about like a whole video, but if they do and it's like quite clear, I will show you. I forgot the straw. I don't like drinking from the can. I like using the straw, but unfortunately there's no straw. I forgot it. But yeah guys, I'm going home. I'll show you the cake when I get home. I actually bought a tiramisu. I don't know how it tastes. I've never bought a tiramisu like at Pick and Pay. I only bought it go Woolworths, so I'm not sure how it tastes, but I hope they're gonna enjoy. And it's quite big, so yeah. So let me go guys, let me go. And also we already paid the deposit for the Happy Meals, but we're only gonna be able to like fetch them tomorrow, because like we must fetch them around lunchtime and their lunch is around 12. So I'm gonna go there around 11 and fetch them, yeah, and fetch them and take them to school, and then like I'll just bring everything else around that time. So yeah guys, let me go home. So guys, here is the cake. It looks very nice. I love everything here. It looks very nice. And it was only 170. It's a tiramisu, as I said, but I don't know how it's gonna taste. But yeah, this is it. It looks yummy though. It looks yummy. And as I said, it is very big. So yeah, that is just it. 4 layers. That's why it's so big. 4 layers.
Nothing's hard, everything is easy.